Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to add background music to Google Vids. I have opened the Google Vids project and here is my video. I want to add a background music to this video, so I have two options. First option is to use stock music, so click on stock right here and then choose music. Here I can pick one of these music that I like, so I can play it with this button. And if I like it, I can click on this plus icon and it will automatically add underneath my video and I can play it right now.
And that brings us to the central.
And as you can see, it is a little bit too loud, so I will click on that, click on this sound option and adjust the volume, so bring it down a little.
Theme of today's discussion.
And now
Finding that balance between.
That's about it. If I have a music on my computer, I will delete this one to show you how it's done. I can bring up the folder right here and then click on the music that I want to go with it right here, drag and drop it and adjust the volume levels. So click on the sound, bring the volume down and play the video.
Aesthetics and pure.
This is how you can simply add the background music to Google Vids. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.